Hello, my name is Joan Ramirez. They are in the kitchen cooking. They are not reading in the kitchen. He is in the room reading. He is not listening. She is doing laundry. She is not lying down. They are listening to music. They are not studying. He is playing the dress in the room. He is not playing in the room. She is sweeping the room. She is not reading a book. She is sleeping in the room. She is not watching TV. They are watching a movie in the room. They are not tired. We are playing domino in the room. We are not drinking coffee. Their giant man is decent. Good year. The giant man is not traveling. Thank you very much. Goodbye.